if you're in Ghana and you have been studying the trend at which the dollar has been rising for like a month now, you could see that the dollar has now increased, and then $1 is now 10 cedis, almost 10 cedis in Ghana. So for us to make money from the dollar that is rising, I think this is what we can do. You see, we have a Binance account. You can just put your money down there, okay? So let's say you deposited $10 on your Binance account, and then you wait for some time. As the dollar rises, surely your money in your Binance account will also rise. So just use that trick, and then you can make money from the money that you have, okay? So like a month or two, you can withdraw the money, and then you will see an increase in the money that you already have on Binance account. So subscribe to the channel for more videos on this channel, and then I'll be giving you more tips too from here. I've been thinking of something, and then I really want to prove it before I bring it out. So guys, it will surely come out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Check this video on this screen, and then I'll see you again.